Tired of feeling stuck in the same place? Do you ever feel like your life is on repeat? Same routines, same problems, same results. If you're thinking about change but feel stuck in the same place no matter how much you plan, this video is for you. Feeling stuck isn't a sign you failed. It's usually a signal that you're ready for a reset. In this video, we talk about why starting over doesn't mean burning everything down or throwing your past away. It means keeping the lessons, releasing the guilt, and choosing again, this time on purpose. You'll hear why so many people stay stuck circling the same mountain and how a conscious reset can help you finally move forward. This is especially helpful if you're a beginner who wants to start an online business but feels weighed down by past decisions, missed chances, or fear of repeating old mistakes. Instead of starting from scratch, you can start from experience, with clarity, with intention, and without the pressure to have everything figured out. If you want help creating that reset, the Magic of Starting Over Digital Kit walks you through releasing the past and opening a new chapter you're actually excited about. It's a done-for-you digital product designed to help beginners move forward with confidence and direction.